Excuse me, sir. Could you please direct me to the new market?
New market. Yes, I know. From here, you go turn onto the main road. Then you go straight for 500 meters. In the you will find in the intersection the new market in your left.
Thanks, sir. So I turn left first, and are there any side or direction?
Yes, there are. You will be see the market after passing the intersection. Don't be worried. It is so easy to your find.
Okay, sir. Are there any roadblocks or motorists I should watch out for?
None. I think just because at the intersection due to heavy traffic, check the traffic to safety first.
Thanks a lot, sir. How long does it take to get through?
About 10 until 15 minutes on foot, 5 minutes by physical, depending on traffic, of course.
That's quick. Are there any histories or cafes near New Market?
Plenty. Try Simple Eats or New Coffee, affordable price, very tasty, local favorite.
Sounds great. What are New Market's operation hour?
The New Market opens 6 p.m. to 6 p.m. Don't forget to bring your cash because not all vendor accept digital payment.
Got it, sir. What about public transportation?
You can take the city bus. Stop is 12 closer to the New Market for around 2,000 rupiah.
Convenient. Are there any must-try food or souvenirs?
You can try traditional style or batik clothing, unique local product.
One more thing, sir. Are there any nearby attraction?
Great! Don't forget to buy local products or souvenir like the handcrafts or specialty foods.
Fantastic. I will check them out.
Prices are usually negotiable, so don't hesitate to bargain.
Always thanks for your help, sir.
Oh, you are welcome, young man. Have a safe trip. Enjoy New Market, and don't forget to hesitate to ask your hesitancy.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get me.
Like 3 on my body, I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.
Happy New Year! May the coming year bring you happiness, success, and fulfillment. Happy New Year! Uh, Thank you for joining this presentation. It is a pleasure to share insight on topic simple present perfect tense, and I hope you find the information helpful. Slide 1. Definition of present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to show an action that happened in the past but directly related to the present. Example, I have seen this movie 6 times. The present perfect tense is free from used to describe action that happened in the past but without specifying a particular time. Action that started in the past and continue up to the present. A person like experience. Action that have just been completed and are relevant to the current situation. Next slide. Formula of present perfect tense. Verbal sentences. In verbal sentences, the subject is followed by a verb. Here, we use the past participle form or the verb 3 for the present perfect tense. And additionally, the present perfect tense is from using the auxiliary verb have or has. You need to understand this. Has is used to singular subject or third person pronouns such as she, he, it, and singular nouns like specific names. Example: Fari, Sasa. Next, have is used to for the subject I, you, and other plural subject. Sons as plural pronouns we or they. Uh, Plural nouns like girls, woman, and component subjects connected by N. You and I, Cinta and Rangga. Uh, the past participle used can be either irregular or irregular verb. Next slide. Here are the formulas for the present perfect tense for positive, negative, and interrogative sentences along with example. Positive sentences pattern in the present perfect tense. Subject plus have or has plus past participle. Example, she has worked in the hospital for 6 years. 2. Negative sentence pattern in the present perfect tense. Uh, Formula subject plus have or has plus not plus past participle. Example, she has not worked in the hospital. 3. Interrogative sentences. Formula have or has plus subject plus past participle. Example, she worked in the hospital for 6 years. Next, formula of present perfect tense. 2. Nominal sentences. Nominal sentences are sentences that do not contain verbs, such as to with nouns, adjectives, or descriptive phrases. Just like verbal sentences, we use have for the subject, I, you, and other plural subjects. Meanwhile, we use has for singular subject and singular nouns. Next. Uh, Here are formulas for present perfect tense for positive, negative, and interrogative sentences along with sample example. Uh, 1. Positive sentences pattern in the present tense nominal. Formula subject plus has or have plus been plus object. Brandon has been recovered from illness. 2. Negative sentences pattern in the present perfect tense nominal. Formula subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus object. Example, Brandon has not been recovered from illness. 3. Interrogative sentences pattern in the present perfect tense nominal. Formula has or have plus subject plus been plus object. Example, has Brandon been recovered from illness? Next slide. The difference between simple present tense and present continuous tense. Although both tenses are frequently used, there is a clear distinction between simple present tense and present continuous tense. Simple present tense describe habit, fact, or routines. Example, he works every day. Present continuous tense describe action that are currently happening at the moment. Example, he is working right now. Thank you for your attention and time. I hope the information shared today was useful and informative. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Once again, thank you for being here and have a great day. Thank you.